Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis world. Today I'm gonna show you how to make tasty chicken curry using very simple masala to get a perfect restaurant taste. So let's not waste any more time and make our yummy chicken curry. Initially fry chicken on medium to high flame with lid open for at least 10 minutes to evaporate all the water from the chicken to make it more soft and juicy. Friends, this chicken curry tastes as delicious as restaurant chicken curry. Even beginners can make this chicken curry super delicious. So do try this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World. Thank you. Bye.